Are you looking at this wreath from National Tree Company? So I will tell you, Nikki and I have had a variety of products from National Tree Company. They've always been awesome. So I went and bought this without telling her. She's kind of banned me from getting more stuff. We have a lot of stuff, but I saw this and I loved it. So I was like, let me get this. I'll share it with you guys secretly. And then when the holidays come, I'll just pop it out. She'll be like, where'd that come from? It's beautiful, and we'll go with it, because this thing is ridiculously cool. So normally I will tell you, Nikki is in charge of making things that are packaged look like they are natural and amazing. And this one, this is exactly how it came out of the package, and it looks pretty darn amazing. I just put it up with the basic GoPro mount, so please ignore that. And yeah, you could definitely improve this when Nikki gets her hands on it. She'll definitely move some stuff around to make it look super real and perfect. But let me show you up close. This is the absolute winner for me because this is the way it came out of the package. So this is it. The way it came out of the package, all I did was put batteries on it, light it up, put it on the mirror with that GoPro mount that I showed you. Why is the screen getting very dark? Anyway. This is the overall look. This gets a thumbs up from me. That is super cool. I think that's great. Hope this has been helpful. We'll see you next time.